How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yep, you've read correctly. I'm selling the Mark 5 Golf GTI. This is the last drive I'll be doing in this car. The reason I am selling it is because I want to take the channel to the next level, and I've got two cars coming. So it'll be a daily diesel, and I'm buying my childhood dream car. So because I can insure it now, I'm buying it. So I'm selling this and I'm gonna buy two of them. We're in the car now. I thought let me bring it to some nice roads and let's send it a little bit. Got ways on just in case, so we don't incriminate ourselves. But look at the views, guys. I came down here for work and the view is lovely. What annoys me is I've took the exhaust off today and I can't hear nothing. So normally it sounds nice going through these roads, but right now you can't hear nothing. It sounds like a hairdryer. As I hate to say it because it's a GTI, you'd expect a GTI to sound nice stock. Now this is a full stock system, everything's stock induction, standard cuts are in, standard resonators back in, back box is back in, everything's standard from the GTI. How I got it, it's all back to standard, and it sounds rubbish in my opinion. I don't even want to rag it, I'll be honest. Like my MPG, when I bought this car, it was about 7 point something MPG. Right now it's fluctuating around 21 MPG. So I have made the MPG a lot better. Wow, look at that. Look at that little bridge. Don't know if you can see that, but that looks lovely. Yeah, so I've improved the MPG. Considering I've had it mapped with the pop and bangs, which I got rid of after a few months. I've had the exhaust on it, which for the past 6 months I've been running res delete and back box delete, standard cuts back in, and the Rame oversized induction kit. That's not bad to say it's gone up by a lot actually, because these cars are, you don't buy them to save fuel, let's be honest, you buy them to rag them, which I don't really want to do right now because it sounds rubbish. I don't know how well you can hear it. I'll have obviously put a sound clip in before I start this drive, but yeah. Ooh, classic. Looks like a classic Alpha. But yeah, I've never really done a last drive. Every time I go to do a last drive, the car always breaks down just before I decide to film it. So today I've tried not to, I've not said it to anyone I'm doing a last drive. So no one even knows I'm selling it. At this point, everyone's finding out now. I've obviously took everything off, I'll have listed it, so people might see by then that I've listed stuff up. Other than that, no one knows I'm selling it. I've said so many times in the past 2 years that I'm ready to sell, Nice less 3 there. I love that colour, you know, that aura blue, lovely colour that is. Yeah, so what was I saying? Yeah, I've been considering selling it for a long time, but it's, I don't know, every time I go to sell it, it breaks down. So I'll repair it because it's not an expensive fix, and then something else will go wrong, and now that I look back, I've spent too much money on it, a bit too much. I reckon the amount I've spent repairing this car and modifying it, I probably could have bought an M140i in today's market. So make of that what you will. I don't know. I'm making a big loss on it, on this car. I've had so many like bad memories, so some of them being like it just breaks down. As soon as I fix one thing, something else breaks down, and then once that gets fixed, something else breaks down, and it's just a constant cycle of breakdown, fix, something else breaks down. So you might be wondering what's next. I'm not saying, some of you will already know because I've been saying it for X amount of years, saying I want this, I want that, and now I can finally insure one. I can't afford it, but now I can afford it because I'll be getting rid of this. I wanted to keep this and get that on the side, but I've realised financially this is not a good idea for me because it just keeps breaking. Someone else could take the project on if they want, but I've changed most things on this car, but I just want to get some money back, invest in a diesel. Sometimes you're gonna sit back and realise that, hang on a second, I'm nearly 25 now, so I'm like, I'm looking, I'm like, right, I need to save something because all my wage just goes on the car. It'll happen with every car I get. I'll get paid, right, exhaust system, spoiler, wheels, this. Oh, this broken down, we need this. So it's never ending. And if you're into cars, you know what I mean. I will be buying a diesel daily. I know what I want because a family friend of mine has got one and he's actually asked me if I want it. So I will be taking it off him. And yeah, I do like what he's got. It's in black. And the wheels are both for this. If you've not seen that video, that'll be in the description as well. They fit on that car. And it's a diesel. So the last time I had a diesel, which was the Audi, I got bored of it straight away. And I got rid of it within the first month or two. Because I did not like it at all. But like I said, I'm getting a project car, or my dream childhood car, to go alongside it. So I don't really have to worry about the car being too quiet and boring, because that's the purpose of the diesel that I'm looking at getting. Let's make it, we can make it. That sounds ridiculous, man. Yeah, so I'll have to live with it for about a week or two with the normal noise, and then as soon as I land that other car, I can't wait, because I was meant to get that car when I got this car, but I needed a car, so I just found this cheap and I picked it up. So I can't wait, I'll be honest. You guys will love what I'm getting, and the content, you guys will love it, because I've got some big plans for it. I don't know what colour I should go for. I want to go for silver because it's a bit different and I get to do more videos. So I can do like a carbon bonnet, carbon spoiler, black wheels, and it splits it up a bit. But I've had a lot of them cars in the same chassis, and I've had the silver already before I passed my driving as a little project to work around on. So I don't know if I want it. The only colours I've not had are black and white. So they're the only two colours I've not had. And white's a bit too rare. I'll give you a hint. It's a Japanese car, JDM. It's only right I'm backing my element, guys. So white's a bit too rare and a bit too expensive out of my budget, but black's looking like a potential. So I've literally gone from having only bright cars to now just black cars. But yeah, once the right one comes up, I'm grabbing it. I've got the videos planned and everything. I've had videos planned for the past 4 years for it. Even before I started doing YouTube, because I've always wanted one. It's my childhood dream car. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed. I don't want to drag this video on for too long, and I think I am lost, so I need to get the sat nav on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and get your guess down below what you think it is. I know a lot of you will know what it is, because a lot of you found my channel because of this car. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. But you'll never guess what the diesel car is, so guess that as well. So guess the two cars I'm getting. I'll give you a clue. One's a VAG and one's a Japanese car. And by VAG I mean it could be anything: Volkswagen, Audi, Seat, Skoda, any of them. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already. I want to say a big thank you for 10,000 subscribers. I'll remember that with this car as well, that I hit 10,000 subscribers whilst having this car. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one.